Hello and welcome back to Jacubication. Today you're going to learn about lists in Python. Python's version of arrays. They automatically extend on their own if you add past their length. You get index out of bounds error if you index past the end of the list. Here's a quick rundown of some of the methods available. Length, len of list var, returns the length of the list. Quick operation, you don't have to iterate over every item. Append, list var.append val, adds the value to the end of the list. Mutates the list, it doesn't return the new list. Pop, list var.pop, removes and returns the last value. List var.pop_i, removes and returns the ith value. Sort, list var.sort, sorts the list. Can specify an optional parameter, reverse equals true, to sort the list in reverse. Mutates the list, doesn't return a new list. Reverse, list var.reverse, reverses the list. Mutates the list, doesn't return a new list. Concatenation, can use plus to concatenate two or more lists together. The list 1, 2, 3 plus the list 4, 5, 6 ends up being the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. List multiplication, list var times number, results in the list var being duplicated number times. For in loops, for val in list 1, 2, 3 gives you every value in the list on each pass of the loop. Enumerate, for index comma val and enumerate the list 1, 2, 3. Index gives you every index value in the list on each pass of the loop. And val gives you every value in the list on each pass of the loop. Indexing takes positive or negative numbers. List var sub 0 is the first item of the list. List var sub negative 1 is the last item of the list. So the only way you can index out of bounds is if you go past the end, because if you go before the first one, it'll just wrap around. Slicing gives you a new list object. Examples on subsequent slides. A:(b), every item from index A up to but not including B. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 through 5 gives you from the second index up to but not including the fifth index. So 3, 4, 5. (b), every item from start up to and not including index B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, (b) gives you everything from the start up to but not including the fifth index. So that would be 1 through 5. A:, every item from index A to the end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2, that will be 3 through 7. Deep copy of the array. A equals 1, 2, 3, B equals A:. You can now change B without A also updating. Extend. List var1.extend list var2. Adds list var2 to the end of list var1. Insert. List var.insert index object. Insert object at index. Everything before the index is pushed to the left, and everything after the index is pushed to the right. Remove. List var.remove value. Returns the index of the first occurrence of the value. Updating with indexing and slicing. 1, 2, 3 sub 0 equals 5. The list is now 5, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 0 through 2 equals 4, 5. The list is now 4, 5, 3. In operator returns true or false about whether or not a value is in a list. Example, 1 in 1, 2, 3 true, 5 in 1, 2, 3, that's false. Final note. Del is a thing you can do to remove an item from lists in Python. I'm purposely not teaching it because it can be slow on large lists. Unlike pop, del doesn't return the value you're removing. Del is difficult to use to remove multiple items from a list. Finally, if you want to learn it, Google's your friend. I've made a video about list comprehensions, which is another way to modify lists. If you want to watch it, click into the video on screen now. Otherwise, ciao.